Hey there. Welcome to 800 SAT Math, our fourth episode to give quick tips about linear functions. But before we start, subscribe to our channel to get more tips for better SAT math score. First, in this question, you have to realize that the meaning of no solution is that it is asking what the value of p that will make a comparative expression of two parallel lines. So we need to distribute the expression to have a comparison of the two lines in a slope-intercept form. And since parallel lines means equal slope, you need to equate the slopes together. That will make -3 equals to -21p, which will make p equals to 1/7. The answer will be B. Repeat the video for further clarity. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy studying.